Hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video because I'm going to be unboxing. It's not necessarily a new camera, but it's new to me. I'm going to be unboxing my new Sony Zv-1 Mark II vlogging camera. The reason I got this camera is because my original camera, which was the Canon PowerShot SX740, literally broke on me. So instead of spending the money to fix this camera, I just thought, why not just go ahead and get a new camera. I bought this camera with my own money. I had money saved up for like years and I never really knew what to buy with that money until this camera broke. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the features this camera comes with. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this camera because I'm super excited. Okay, so let's start off with like the basics and just like the look of the camera. The camera itself comes with one of these wind mufflers, so if you're filming and it's windy, it won't affect the audio too much. And right on top, let me take this off actually. Right on top, we have the on and off button. This button switches between camera, filming, and slow motion. This is the record button. This is picture, this right here is zoom, and this one, when you are filming, basically defocuses the background. And as you can see, the camera does come out this way. Oh, and it's on. Oh, looks like the battery did not come with any charge, but let me basically show you guys what comes on the screen. This button right here is basically if you're showing something in front of the camera, it's gonna defocus your face and show the object, and then when you remove the object, it's gonna go back to your face, which is pretty cool. And then this icon right here basically is like face filter. It goes from low, medium, and high, or you can just have it off. Off is also an option. This one right here basically just controls your zoom. This button at the very bottom kind of lets you go to your storage. Right now I don't have an SD card, so there's obviously nothing there. This off button right here kind of helps with the brightness and just changing up the look of your video. This button right here that says Cinevlog, you can basically film in cinematic mode and change some filters. This button right here, basically you can have the audio either in the front of the camera, the back, or all around the camera. This button right here is basically timer if you're filming or taking pictures. And this button at the top is basically your shooting mode. I'm currently in intelligent mode, but you can play around and shoot whichever mode you would like to shoot in. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics of the camera. Alright guys, so here is the side-by-side comparison between the two cameras. This one right here is the Sony Zv-1 Mark II using its internal microphone. I don't have anything attached to it. This is just the raw camera and its speakers. I also, on this camera, do not have any beauty filters on right now, so you guys can get the realist review. This camera right here is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I currently have the camera levels almost the same. My iPhone 15 Pro Max is a little more scooted up, but I can just tell already, like, even if I scoot my iPhone 15 back, the Sony Zv-1 Mark II does have a wider angle, because I believe the Sony Zv Mark II camera does have an optimal zoom of 18 to 50, while the phone's optimal zoom starts at 24, which was also the same as my Canon PowerShot SX740. But yeah, these are basically the two side-by-side comparisons. Let me know down below which one you prefer. But just looking at it, I think I kind of like the Zv-1 Mark II a little better, just because the angle's wider and I think the quality is just a little better. Yeah, that's basically the side-by-side comparison between the Sony Zv-1 Mark II and its internal microphone and my iPhone 15 Pro Max and its internal microphone. Okay, I also want to test out the product showcase mode on this camera, which I think is really good if you are a content creator who shows like products to the camera. So here I have a pencil. Let's see how well the focus is on the pencil. Here's me, pencil, me, pencil. I think that's pretty crazy. Let me find something else I can use. Okay, we have double-sided tape right here. Tape, me, tape. And this is with the project showcase on. Let me go and turn it off and see if the autofocus is as good. Okay, I have it off. So let's see if it's as good as it is on. Okay, that's the tape, me, tape, me. Okay guys, so I came into a low lighting room, which is my sister's room. Her room does just have a dark aesthetic to it, so it is a little darker than my room. But honestly, just looking at this, the Sony Zv-1 Mark II does look lighter than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I feel like the Sony kind of makes my face a lot lighter, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max kind of makes my face kind of grayish, just like a grayish tone. And I don't have any filters on right now, so this is just raw from the camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the project showcase one more time. Here's another pen, my face, pen, my face. Now for the iPhone, there's not really much. It's just kind of the same as my face. So yeah, I've noticed that this camera works really well in low light rooms and very bright rooms. So if you guys like the way the Sony Zv-1 Mark II looks, this is without beauty filter. Project showcase is on. Definitely comment down below if you guys like this better than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, or if you guys prefer the phone quality over the camera quality. But honestly, that's all I have for this video. I'm super excited to make my next vlog with this camera. I'm so excited. And if you want to see my next video that's going to be coming out using this camera, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the post. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment down below which camera you prefer and your thoughts on the Sony Zv-1 Mark II. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!